Hi friends, here I am to share my views on the topic self-motivation. Friends, you must have been aware about the term self-motivation, so there is no need for me to explain the definition of this word. Now, the thing is that why it is necessary in our life? Why why should we remain self-motivated? What is the need of it? Have you ever think of this? Why do we read motivating storybooks, and why do we see motivating movies or series, right? And we read magazines, we read newspapers, and we do lot of stuff like this. And why? To get motivation. You know what, we are looking for self motivation from outside, from external resources, but my friends, this attribute comes from within, right? See, the things which we are getting from outside are temporary. Like temporary in the sense, it is very important that what do you feel from inside. Okay, so in my opinion, I would say that you should know how to achieve this state of mind, and why it is necessary. Firstly, to reduce the dependence on others. As simple as that. We do not want to depend on anybody for our emotional well-being. Okay, and to get motivation from other people, we listen to their stories, stories of survival, stories of success, and we get motivated because of that. But what after 1 week or 2 weeks or 1 month or 2 months, we come back in our original state, and we again start searching for internet, motivational quotes, motivational books. Then why don't look for a permanent solution for this? So my friends, I would say that we should remain in a state of constant consciousness. You should always believe in your own potential, in your own capabilities. You should focus on your achievements and learn from your failures. Why? Everybody fails. We are not perfect. We are not a perfect human being. Even the successful millionaires have failed in their lives in some way or the other, but they never gave up. They never gave up. They never stopped. They kept moving and moving and moving. And secondly, problems. Problems are a part of our life, and in my opinion, problems make us stronger from within. So, friends, have a solution friendly approach towards any problem which comes to you in your life, because we cannot rid of them. And what I have felt in my life and through the series of my experiences, I have realized that problems make you help bring your inner potential outside. So, friends, what do you say? Do you feel that in order to remain self motivated, we should do things which should come from within, not from outside? It should be permanent and everlasting, it should not be temporary. So, guys, firstly, we need to we need to program our mind in such a way that first, keep this thing in your mind that we need to reduce our dependence on others. We should focus on our achievements. We should learn from our failures. Problems are a part of life. They will come to you, okay, in any way or the other. So you must have a solution friendly approach towards any of the problem. This, if you will think in such a way, that then you will find within yourself, then you are getting self motivated, because you, now the time is you are believing in yourself, you are believing in your own potentials, in your own capabilities, and with the help of your own capabilities you want to come out of certain problems in your life without taking the help of others. So dear friends, please think over it, and you can share your views with me. So thanks all of you. It was very nice talking to all of you. Okay, good to see you, and thank you so much.